Ever ask Siri if she dreams of electric sheep? Well, don't. She might just have an existential crisis. You see, artificial intelligence, or AI, is all around us, subtly integrated into our daily routines. It's in our pockets, in forms like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, answering our queries, playing our favorite tunes, even telling us jokes. So the next time you ask Siri for the weather, remember she's more than just a weather girl. Now, what is this AI we speak of? A new type of pie? An alien language? Nope, it's neither. Although I wouldn't mind a slice of pie right now. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like the new kid on the block. It's the buzzword that's got everyone talking. But let's strip down the complexities and see it for what it really is. Imagine a computer playing chess. Now, it doesn't just move pieces randomly, it makes calculated moves, just like a human would. That's AI. Essentially, technology that's capable of mimicking human intelligence. Now, you might have heard terms like machine learning, deep learning, and neural networks. These are not just fancy words to impress your friends at parties, they are the building blocks of AI. Think of machine learning as teaching your dog a new trick. You show it how to fetch, it doesn't get it at first, but with enough repetition, voila, your dog is fetching your slippers. Deep learning, on the other hand, is like teaching a bird to sing a song. It listens to the song over and over again, and soon it's belting out the tune better than you ever could. And neural networks? Well, they're the brain of the operation. They're modeled after our own brains and they help AI systems learn from experience, just like we do. So, in short, AI is like a toddler. It learns from its mistakes, only it won't draw on your walls with crayons. Now that we know what AI is, let's see it in action. And no, I don't mean in sci-fi movies where they take over the world. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we fondly call it, isn't just about robots plotting world domination or self-driving cars. It's much more subtle and it's already woven into the fabric of our everyday lives. Take Netflix, for example. Ever wonder how it always seems to know just the right show to suggest next? Or how Spotify magically curates the perfect playlist for your mood? That's AI hard at work, analyzing patterns and predicting preferences. And let's not forget our smartphones. You know those little autocorrect moments when you try to type duck and it insists on something else? Yep, that's AI too. From optimizing our online shopping experiences to even assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, AI is silently reshaping our world, making it more convenient, efficient, and personalized. So, whether it's helping you find your next binge watch or correcting your typos, AI is that silent companion you never knew you needed. And that, my friends, is AI in a nutshell. Or should I say, in a microchip. In the blink of an eye, artificial intelligence has woven itself into our daily lives, making everything from grocery shopping to heart surgery a breeze. So next time you chat with Siri or Alexa, remember to thank them. After all, they're part of the AI family that makes life a tad bit easier. Just don't ask them about the electric sheep. Thank you so much for engaging with our content. We truly appreciate your support. If you enjoy what you've seen so far, we'd be thrilled if you could subscribe to our channel. We look forward to having you as part of our community.